hello everyone. Hope you're all doing well, and today I am gonna pull out the name of the winner of our small giveaway that I have up on YouTube. And this giveaway ran the 9th to the 17th. I gave you guys an extra day because I know that I uploaded the video really late, so I gave you guys an extra day, and today is the 18th, so today I am gonna pull the name. So we're gonna press record so I can record my screen and show you what I'm doing, and hopefully it should be recording. Let me just check. There it is. It's recording. I'm gonna lower it. So there you go. The gift is a whole bunch of natural products that you can reuse at home, and it consists of a scrubber made out of walnuts. We've got some bags that you can take with you shopping, and when they get dirty, all you have to do is throw them in the washing machine and just take them with you again. So you've got 8 bags, produce bags. You've got a small bag that you can actually, a canvas bag that you could throw in your purse. You could fold it. It's a small bag, but it's still a bag that you can carry with you, and it's lightweight. You're going to have a bread bag, if I'm not mistaken, is there. There's a bread bag. There's some of the napkins I make, and there's this beautiful cloth to cover your bread dough when you're making bread, or you can cover your pasta dough or your pasta after you've made it before you cook. And it's a nice clean cotton, something that I use all the time, and the one I'm using is my mother's, and I love it because once it's clean, all you have to do is lay this over your pasta and nothing's gonna fall on your pasta. No dirt whatsoever. There's this little wooden spoon that I made, which is fun to use, and I've been making a whole bunch of them, and I'm getting a little more creative. But for now, we have this wooden spoon that you can use at home, and that's it. So I hope you like this little giveaway. It's a small one, but it's something that I use at home all the time, and I love it. So here we go. We're going to start taking our URL. We're going to take our address, copy. We're going to go to our random picker. We're going to put our address right there, paste. We're going to get our comments, and right now it shows there was 150 unique commenters that commented on this link, and I am going to press start, and hopefully we should have a name. And the winner is Speedy Mary, and she wrote congrats. I love watching your videos. Well, thank you very much, Speedy Mary. I love having you guys on my videos. I love when you guys comment, and I really appreciate you guys more than you can think. So I'm going to say congratulations to you, and all you have to do, Mary, is if you go to my video, and if you go right under my video, here I'll show you. If you click, there we go. If you go under my video and you click show more, you will see my email address. There's 2 of them right there. So pick one of them and write to me. Give me your address so I could send out your gift. So congratulations again to you. And guess what, guys? This is not the last of the giveaway. This is the first of the giveaways this year, but there's going to be plenty more, I promise you. So congratulations again, Mary. You are the winner. And guess what, guys? I'm going to see you in my next video very soon.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.